This is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first of all, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Then among the available control panel shortcuts, find the one that says nearby share, touch and hold that its icon in order to activate it. You gotta simply switch on this toggle over here. Now you can rename your device if necessary, enable or disable its visibility, as well as change how visible it is, or simply restrict its visibility to only your devices, your contacts, or to everyone who is in the range of this feature. And finally, you can change the data mode that will be utilized for the file transfer. Now the feature is all set up and ready to be used, so let me just go ahead and test it out. So I'll try sending something from this phone to my Redmi. So here is the gallery app. Here is the screenshot that I will send. Alrighty. So accept the transfer at the receiver's end. Well, as soon as it arrives. Usually it happens way faster than that. So perhaps let me try repair rather. Okay, so here it is. Then accept the transfer, wait until the file gets sent and received. And well, here you have it. Let me find this picture. So here it is. Alrighty, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.